If Canva is giving you an error today, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to designing as quickly as possible. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for common Canva issues like pages not loading, designs not opening, or the site acting slow or unresponsive. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the page. A lot of Canva errors are temporary, and a simple refresh can reload the editor properly. If you are in the middle of working on a design, give it a moment to save, then click refresh and see if the problem disappears. If Canva is still not working, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run an internet speed test. You want to make sure your connection is stable enough for Canva to load images, templates, and design assets. If your internet is slow or inconsistent, Canva may show errors or fail to load certain parts of the page. If your connection seems weak, try switching networks. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile hotspot. If you're on hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This is a great way to find out whether the issue is with your current network rather than Canva itself. Sometimes a quick network change is all it takes to fix the error. Now let's check whether Canva is actually down for everyone. Open a new tab and search for Canva status on Downdetector. This helps you see if other users are reporting outages or server problems. If Canva is having an outage, the issue is on their side, and the best thing to do is wait until their services are back online. If the status looks normal and Canva is still giving you trouble, the next step is to clear your browser cache. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security, and click Clear browsing data. Cached files and cookies can sometimes conflict with Canva and cause loading errors, so clearing them often solves the problem. When you clear browsing data, make sure you choose the right time range if you want a deeper reset. If needed, clear cached images and files, and also cookies if you're still having trouble signing in or loading your designs. After that, close the browser completely and open Canva again to test it fresh. If the issue is still there, try signing out of Canva and signing back in. That can help reset your session and remove temporary glitches. You can also try opening Canva in an Incognito window or a different browser to see whether the problem is browser specific. The key is to work through these fixes one at a time. Refresh the page, test your internet speed, switch networks, check Canva's status, and clear your cache. In many cases, one of those steps will fix the error right away. If you're still stuck after trying everything in this video, leave a comment describing the exact Canva error you're seeing and I'll try to help. And if this video solved your issue, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.